Hey there, John.Hunter, your mortgage hunter, back again this week with another rate update. This one for the week of May 24th. So, this week we had more bad news than good news on the rate front. Even with that, rates held pretty steady this week. 30-year fixed, 6.75 to about 7.5. 15-year, 6.375 to about 7. FHA, 6.625 to about 7.25. VA, 6.625 to about 7.3. Down payment assistance, 6.25 to about, 7.25 to about 7.875. Now remember, guys, these rates are based on loan amount, loan type, duration, 15 versus 30, credit score, property type, loan purpose, first-time home buyer, not first-time home buyer, income levels, a lot of variables. So if you have any questions, you want to get an individual rate quote, kind of want to know what it would look like for you individually, feel free to reach out. I would be more than happy just to give you a quote, no obligation. So there we have it. After several strong economic and labor data releases this week, we saw Goldman Sachs push back their projections for the first rate cut. They had projected it would be in July. Now they're saying September. And the overall market is pricing in a September rate cut at roughly 50-50. So just like the rest of these predictions, as we get closer, they change. Sometimes they move up, sometimes they move back. We shall see. I think there's some mixed data that's been coming out. I think there's a lot of weakness, I've been saying, and eventually I will be right. So we shall see. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. I really hope it's a meaningful one. I'm going to go visit my father, his grave at least, and pay my respects. He was a colonel in the Army for 24 years, and very proud of that. And, this is a good weekend to remember all of those in our lives that served and gave all. So, guys, have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Come back for more content. Hey, I'm releasing a really good video about phantom debt and how it affects interest rates. It might actually be up by the time you watch this on YouTube. So if you want to get some interesting take on it, there's that. And I actually even heard it on some mainstream media this morning talking about the same exact subject. So you probably will be hearing more and more of it. So if you're interested, go take a look. I'd really appreciate it. Anyway, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.